All praise to Allah, the creator of the worlds, and peace and blessings be upon his Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of our messengers, upon his family and all his companions. Good morning everyone, teachers and my dear friends and other people. Today we are celebrating our 75 Independence Day. We feel really proud to be an Indian. We long by 1947 we got our independence. We know that now we are living in this independent India only because of the struggle of our freedom fighters. It is important that we should remember each one of them today. Dear friends, we are celebrating Independence Day as our national festival. Independence Day is observed throughout India with flag hosting ceremonies, parades and lot of cultural events. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi at Rajpath where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. Lot of cultural events, flower shedding and also the Indian Defence Service conduct parade on this day. My dear friends and teachers, 15 August is not only about freedom, it reminds us about the pain of being enslaved, the strength of unity, and it also defines the sacrifices. It is our responsibility as a proud citizen of our country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. On this day, we should take an oath that we will always with our motherland till our last breath. Once more, wishing a very happy Independence Day to all. Assalamu alaikum.